Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. We're currently about to go to Morrisville with the Dark Horse and the Cobra, but the Cobra is fully dead. The battery has completely died, so we're going to try and jump start it now with this Noco Boost Plus jump starter and see if we can get it out in this garage.
Okay, go ahead.
Try it?
Yeah.
Okay. Nope.
Anything?
Nope.
No. It's not plugged in all the way over there or something. I'm not getting nothing. Nothing's working today. Push it all the way in. All right.
There we go.
All right.
Now we got
Start.
lights.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Get in there. Start.
Huh?
Go need a second. Set your lights off. Your lights on?
You want to just take the Dark Horse?
Well, we're gonna have to.
Unless this thing gets resurrected too early.
Charge for another minute. I don't.
Alright, pulling up to Morrisville. Dark Horse behind me. We're like an hour and a half late. The show started an hour and a half ago, so I know we're gonna get really bad parking. A lot of people probably already left, but we're gonna get in there. We're gonna see what's up. Ooh. That's crazy. God dang. Crowded as freak. Well, we got parked in all the way in the back where nobody is, so we wouldn't be showing off no cars today. It just gets more crowded every month, and it's January. I can't even imagine what it's gonna be like in the summertime when it's actually nice out. It's already crowded as freak. That's crazy. Golly, it's packed. It's the most
sunshine. It's a pretty day.
most packed I've ever seen it.
Do you see any places we parked up there?
I mean, maybe. I could ask. I could ask if somebody has one. Let me call and see. Alright, ready? Yeah. Alright. Alright, so we're on the way back over. About to leave now. We was just here for a little bit. Just came out and saw the cars. It's just too cold. My dad's just too cold. He just wants to go home, and I agree. It's just too cold to do anything. So we're just gonna go back. Christ's sake, so we can even get out of here. Thank you. Thank you. For what?
10 speed.
Nah, I'm good. I'm good. I like driving manuals better.
Huh?
I like driving manuals better.
That shit nice as hell, man. I like your car, man.
Thank you. Getting out of here.
Hey, we were checking out your Mystichrome. My girlfriend's got one. That's hers right there. We saw you here last time.
Yeah, we saw you last time. Yeah, that's cool.
I was saying you guys should get a picture together.
Yeah, we're leaving now, but are y'all coming next month?
Yeah.
Alright, maybe we can try. I'll try and find you guys next month, and we can try and get a picture.
You got an Instagram?
I do.
Alright, I'll add you and then I'll show her.
Alright.
There she is, damn.
Yeah, I know your phone number. I was like, hers right there.
Yeah. He said add him on Instagram. Next time he comes, he'll get a picture with you.
Yeah. Have you met Josh Jones?
I have not.
Yeah, he has a Mystichrome also.
If you put in your Instagram, my Instagram's Coles_eco. So.
Right there, Mystichrome.
Alright. Yeah, we'll for sure have to take pictures next time. That'd be great. You too. Thank you. Dang, that Mysticchrome's lowered. So I spoke to her last time. She's like the fourth owner, so it's got some miles on it, but it looks like it's lowered. It still looks in really good condition though. clutch round. Finally, we can get on out of here. Bloody hell.
Grab it. Grab it.
Make sure you get on the highway. Just follow me if you can. Just get all the way left. Yep. No, before the light. Yeah, after the light. Onto the highway light. Which light? I just turned left. I just turned left onto the highway. So we lost my dad. He is gone somewhere. I don't even know what happened, where he's at. He just didn't follow at all. So we're just gonna try and make do with what we got. Now we gotta get back onto the highway. Luckily we have a fast enough car that can make that work, so I'm not sure where he's at, but I mean, we're just gonna meet up with him at home, and just, yeah, we'll just have to meet up with him at home and see him there, I guess, because I don't know where he's gone. He's gotten lost somewhere, unfortunately. Just so many cars today, we couldn't stay together going out, so yeah, I think today was pretty successful. I mean, just nice little cruise to the meet. Oh, Ferrari SF90 over there. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, but that's nice, going the other way back towards the meet. But yeah, I mean, it was just kind of a chill day. We just went. We got there super late. We just parked, chilled, and saw some other cars. I didn't take any videos of us strolling around because I didn't charge my camera, so I wasn't sure if I was gonna have enough battery to record this part. So yeah, but next time I'll try and take a video when we walk around and all the cars and stuff. But yeah, just a nice little chill day, chill car meet. I mean, Morrisville's packed. It's the most cars I've ever seen it. I mean, we never had to go back into a third parking lot to find parking. So I mean, and it's only winter, so imagine what it's gonna be like in the summer. I just can't imagine. So I mean, it's good to know though, like more people are into cars, like just it's great, growing car community. We got some love for the Mystichrome, and I know the Dark Horse got some love as soon as we walked away and started looking at other cars. I know I saw a lot of people start going towards it. So, I mean, just a pretty nice day to go to a car show, and like I said in the last video, hopefully more videos will be made with the Dark Horse and this car soon. So just look for those. And like I said about my EcoBoost, I'll be modding that soon. So expect more videos coming out from that as well. And sorry for the wait on the 2 posts. I just haven't had the chance to try. It's been too cold to do anything. So, but yeah, with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.